Alright guys, we are here at the La Quinta Inn here in Plano Parkway here in Dallas, and we're going to take a tour of room 116. Here's the key card. Let's go in. Alright, when you open the door you see an Alex.
Hello, I gotta pee.
And Andrew's already going to go mess up the toilet. But here we have the main entrance, and this is, wow, this is really nice. So as for the layout, here is the map. There are 2 elevators in this hotel. For security, obviously we've got our do not disturb, the lock, and then just your standard locks. Here's the light. We have an outlet down there. Very nice mirror here. Over here's some closet space. Someone didn't put the iron away. Maybe there's a reason it doesn't really fit in there. Over here we've got a little spot for the coffee maker and some cups. Ice bucket and another mirror. You can see a me in there. And these lights. Next we have the bathroom, which is very, bless you, we have a very nice looking bathroom here. Very nice lighting on the, look at this is actually really neat lighting here. We got the sink, the light.
Please pardon my allergies, y'all.
Here we have the toilet, which looks clean. We'll go ahead and flush it.
Whoa, kind of fast you'd see for a hotel commode.
Mm-hmm. Obviously we got the shower and looks pretty clean. We'll go ahead and turn this on so you... This is actually a nice shower. It appears to be. Oh, this one's loose. Overall, this is a very nice bathroom though. This looks really nice. Next we come over here. We've got a mini fridge. Does it? Oh, look at this. They've even got a little like soda rack there, like soda cans. Got our TV there. A microwave. Oh, we got the good book there. Couple drawers. Got a chair. And then over here we've got, there's the phone. Little light, and we have Andrew with...
This thing is not going to be fun to open up.
We've got a shepherd crank, which we're going to be taking a look at. This little bin there. We've got our... Oh, the AC, I missed that. Over here. The thermostat is right here. This looks kind of... I guess it's unlocked. I think Andrew put it down pretty low, so...
Yeah, it's hot.
That's the AC unit, and then just a view outside, if I can figure these curtains out. I wonder whose car that is right there. And
It's right outside?
And a minivan, yep.
Cool.
Now we got 2 beds here. Let's see how these look.
The amenities are right here.
I shall be the first to demonstrate.
All right, here we go.
You got those sheets on. I'm going to take some pictures.
Feels good.
It's comfortable?
Very good.
I know who's going to be staying there tonight.
Yep.
Over here we've got it's an interesting alarm clock.
It always helps turn on all the lights before you do a hotel tour. I'm going to take some pictures.
Oh, that turns that on. I guess it's time to strip down one of the beds. Oh, what's this? Oh, here's all the towels and your soaps. So that's all the towels. I guess we're going to tear this bed apart.
Before we tear the bed apart, let me take some pictures.
Okay. And now it is time to strip the bed down.
I want to strip this elevator button down, Jason.
All right. Well, that looks... Is that it? Or is there more? Oh, yeah. There we go.
Looks clean.
Oh.
One here. That's
Oh, there's a
stuck.
piece of hair in there.
It's like stuck in there. Let's look underneath.
Just peel it top, man.
There are some hairs on it, but I'd say that's acceptable and it looks clean. I'm going to assume the other bed is the same. Got some pictures there, and then what up there is the fire stuff, the fire sprinkler, the alarm. So yeah, this was a good room, and thanks to your mother for providing us with this room.
You're very welcome.
So I hope you enjoyed this little hotel tour, and I think it's time to take that apart.